In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of getting your customer to take an action. So copywriting or copy has one goal, and your single goal in any piece of copy is to get your customer or your reader to take an action. And that action can be as simple as signing up for an email list, ordering your product, or maybe calling a salesperson. So it doesn't matter what you choose your action to be, but what does matter is that your copy is leading your reader to take that action. So all of your copy is helping you towards that goal. Otherwise, you can get rid of it. So if it's not helping your customer or help convince your customer to take that action, then consider eliminating it from your copy. And that's because you want your copy to be effective. You want it to be long enough where you can explain why your reader should take the action, but you don't want it to have excess fluff that your reader finds boring or distracting, and that might cause them not to take the action. So some examples of this are, have you seen a commercial that you thought was really clever, but it didn't make you want the product? So I've seen this a couple times where companies will spend who knows how much money, it could be tens of thousands of dollars, creating these really clever or funny commercials, but at the end of the commercial, it didn't make you want to take an action. It didn't make you want to buy their product. So in that sense, I would consider that advertisement a waste of money if it doesn't make you take an action. And maybe you could argue that some advertisements are for brand building, but I've seen some clever advertisements that don't really build up the brand or make you take an action. Or have you read a magazine advertisement and you didn't buy the product? You didn't think it was effective in making you buy the product. So this is another example of where an advertisement in writing might be really clever, but it still doesn't make you want to take an action. Or after reading an advertisement, have you ever told yourself, I'll think about it? And I'm sure we've all done this before. And the truth is, and this is what every copywriter knows, when someone tells you, I'll think about it, they're not going to think about it. You have to make the sale right now, or you have to make them take the action now. Otherwise, there is a large chance that they're never going to take the action at any other point.